One of US representative wey they call Johnson he said the man don't give Nigeria government both gbozayo as he don't tell the Supreme Court say make they release Nnamdi Cáłł. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen. Our man wey they call Otti don review a big plan wey want to transform Aba to Africa China. If you see this plan wey Otti hold, if you bring am come outside, na that side go come see the real Igbo man sense. Na so Aba go take transform to inside to become the China for inside Africa. He say he go even find pass sef. No be only that one, no, this man went ahead and said that the kind of industry we go there for Aba, there's no need of going to China again. This is a very great development. Let's go find out how this thing take the happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We dey here, they bring you update as update for our table. Only thing wey you go do for us na make sure say you share this video. Our people say only human na dem ya to sala video na to saya because wetin this man dey do na good thing he dey do. Na wetin we dey pray for our bad people since now e don dey happen. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today and go tell them waiting they go on for inside Nigeria. They say that one of a U.S. House representative, where they call Johnson, don't call on Nigeria Supreme Court. He say all those mago what did they do for inside court to make them no try them on 15th because this will give especially the Biafrans hope, or it go discourage them of so many things, and it go also bring some more katakata put for inside everything. For this reason, may they go ahead go to this Nnamdi Cáłł. This our Texas House of Rep member Johnson call on Nigeria Supreme Court to order release Nnamdi Cáłł unconditionally. Now so it dey happen, and now say we bring and come show our people. The governor of Abia State will be Otti. They say the Abia people say this man na God sent, and this man he don't do waiting. Abia people they pray for over 30 years. All the whole road where they for Aba, the man don't carry am. He dey come. I remember in the year 2008, where I from 2011, where I go that Port Harcourt road to Abia State. On our motor going stop for inside the middle of water. No going back that day. Now so we suffer later we come make up. And they say this man now that road, that man said this road will be motorable this December. Say no road will be blocked in Abia State. I beg, may no be like saying now we they talk out. We'll go play the video. May you hear the good plan where this man gave for Aba people. I wish say all this Ndomekome no go put hand for this man, making change and transform Aba. May Aba become the best place where we say they will produce everything for inside Southeast. Now, what would they pray for so that our people no go they lose their property all over Nigeria? Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
So our budget today and the way it was presented shows clearly that we are now determined to start afresh, rebuild our state, construct roads, eradicate insecurity, make our state conducive for investments, both local and foreign, to flow into the economy. So all these require a lot of thinking, doing things differently, and ensuring that there is a clear departure from the past. So the budget we have presented is a budget that speaks to all the things we intend to do with the state.
Well, it appears infrastructure has a very large chunk. What can you say about that?
Yes, infrastructure has about 17% of the budget, but it's not the largest. Healthcare has about 20%, and education has about 20% and healthcare 15%. So what we have done with this budget is to ensure that we rein in cost of governance and improve on things that will improve people's welfare. So when you are talking about education, then you are empowering the people to be the best they can be and be available for the kind of jobs that the 21st century offers. So we are looking at every facet of education, not just infrastructure, but the curriculum and the curricula and the quality of teachers and how skilled they are, and training and retraining them. So infrastructure is also very important because we believe that if we do not build roads to give our people access and to ensure that movement of goods and services are smooth, then we will not attract the investments that we are looking for. If we do not support industries to spring up, particularly in Aba, that is noted for being both an industrial and commercial center. If we do not ensure that the environment is conducive, then the investment will not come. So it's a deliberate effort that we are making, and we are sure we are getting it right.
Your Excellency, I am much more interested in Aba, and you specifically mentioned it there in the hallowed chambers. Aba, a commercial hub. What is your vision for Aba, drawing investors to Abia State? We always hear made in Aba goods.
Yes, you are very right. Like I reported earlier today, I thank the House of Assembly for speedily passing the bill, which we tabled before them. Is an executive bill, the Aba, Greater Aba Development Agency, GADA. Yesterday, in fact, in the evening yesterday, I signed the bill into law. And what that is supposed to do is in fulfillment of our campaign promises that we intend to create a special zone out of Aba. And because we know the potentials, we know that if we fix infrastructure in Aba, we know that if we ensure that the place is clean, if we provide power and water, Aba people hardly need any other thing from government, and they will just run. And they will also provide the necessary revenue with which to develop other parts of the state. So there is virtually nothing that is not made in Aba. It may not be the sophisticated model, it may not be as smooth as the ones coming in from China or from Japan, but they will make them. And like somebody says, you continue to fake it until you make it. So we encourage our people to continue not just in leather, which they are known for, but also fashion. Most of our tailors, by the time they produce clothes, you'll be wondering where they were produced. And it's Aba. Of course, light manufacturing, the micro, small, and medium-scale industries, all will get a fillip with the budget that we have just presented to the House of Assembly. And I know that it will be passed.
Excellency, a recap of what you said in there and the hopes and expectations of the people of Abia State towards the implementation of the budget 2024, tagged the budget of new beginning.
All right, so the first thing is that we have crafted a budget that will spur business in Abia State. And we sat down over several weeks to ensure that all the building blocks were put together. It is an ambitious budget, like people will say, from about 167 billion to 567 billion. So it's a lot of much more money to spend. But then the reality is that if you factor in inflation at about 30% per annum, if you look at the convergence of the exchange rates from about 750 to over 1,200 that it is today, if you look at the removal of petroleum subsidy, when you factor all those in, you will find that the difference may not be as much or may not be as pronounced. But we believe that this budget will spur business. We believe that it will spur businesses to create jobs, to do all they can do, to push the potentials and the of business in Abia State. And that's what government is about. Most importantly, we also believe that it would help our people in terms of supporting them with welfare, the salaries that have been owed for several months and years, all of them are going to be cleared, and they have been provided for in this budget. So this is a budget that will make a difference in the life of the average Abiaman. And we also believe that it's a budget that will also attract Abians in the diaspora and Abians who live outside Abia, that we are ready and open for business. And we hope that from next year we will start receiving them, and this economy would be jump-started. Thank you.
No be only person where they do bad thing now they call out here, they call people where they do good things, say may they continue the good thing where they do for their people. Because not if you are a governor in Southeast, let me tell you one secret. Never you think to own a house in our blood. That house you own in our blood, if in your village, take your village, bring the best house, the best mansions, build them like an estate for your village. You don't open that side. If another person come, you go still do so. Like this, play like this, you will get that kind nature, as in the vibe, the background, what we need for inside our states. No think like Obiano where on now go America, go they stay. As they carry small dog, they work out for America. When suppose they enjoy the cool breeze, they find things, fresh food. You run go where they use fertilizer, they plant everything. See as they shake for that place now. If you're a governor, think to invest for your own, build, leave a legacy. Leave a legacy for your people to remember. Even though only one person remember you saying that you do this thing, leave a legacy. That is the only advice why I fit give any governor for inside Southeast. When you are doing this, do it, leave the legacy. People will always remember you for that. That is why white men, they are quite different from us, because what they are working to is to leave a legacy. John built this flyover. After building it, he succeeded but he couldn't, due to the stress and all those things. John let her go. Mark built this city, and after building the city in so year, he let her go, and they have lived the legacy. So let we will be black people, especially for Ali Igbo, more on try to live legacy. Alex Otti, keep this dream going. Nothing will happen to you, sir. I respect you so much. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. You will succeed. If we be person where they like good thing, may you share this video. Tosa video on Tosa ya kana share ihoma. Tosa the video. Congratulations to Abia. Let big dream of Alex Otti come to pass, and let Aba fully transform to totally industrial area, so that thing wey we dey run go China go dey buy, we go dey produce am for inside Aba, grow our economy. We go fit do am. Okay, my people, make sure say you share this video and follow this page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, very important, and turn your notification bell. I dey talk this thing steady, no dey miss our update.